Hi! Today I have the Cosyquilt electric blanket heated throw. Let me show you how much I love this thing. So we're gonna open it up first. And what I really love about it, well, when you first open it, you're gonna notice how soft it is. Comes with the instruction manual, of course you wanna read that first. But check out how big and cozy this is. I mean, it's not super huge, but I love the size of this. Watch. I can wrap it around my shoulders. It's really soft. Check it out. I can like wrap this around myself. It's like super cozy. I love this thing. So yeah, not only is it like super soft and cozy, but I can wrap it around me or put it over my legs to stay warm. And it's portable. I can take this to the office to stay warm or around the house as long as there's an outlet to plug it in. But it heats up really quickly and I can choose the warmth of my comfort. So each time I press the button, it will get warmer and warmer up to 4 levels. So not only that, it is machine washable. That's awesome. So I can clean this in the laundry and keep it clean, but I love how soft it is and how warm it gets. And the built-in safety mechanism will shut it off after 4 hours, just in case you forget to unplug it. So this is definitely one of my favorite things around the house. And I love that I can take it to the office because sometimes, no matter what time of year, sometimes you just get a little chilly, right? You want to be warm. This is definitely good for that. But I recommend this as a gift for anyone who likes to be cozy and likes the convenience of something that you can take with you. So check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching.